Today's quiz is easy. Danny Kaye Humanitarian Award is given by which organization? It's an award given for service to humanity. Danny Kaye Humanitarian Award. What is the diameter of the world's largest radio telescope that has been installed in China recently? In fact, it has been installed in the Chinese city of Guizhou, and it is called FAST telescope. So what is the diameter of this FAST telescope? When do we observe the Public Service Broadcasting Day in India? Public Service Broadcasting Day is observed to commemorate the only visit by Mahatma Gandhi, father of the nation, to the All India Radio studio. So, Public Service Broadcasting Day is observed on which date? Shevaroy Hills are located in which state? Shevaroy Hills. Ashwani Kumar Tiwari, he became the Managing Director and CEO of which organization? Ashwani Kumar Tiwari. What is the mascot for the 2022 Asian Para Games? Pay attention to this word, para. So what is the mascot for 2022 Asian Para Games? The International Financial Services Center Authority, IFSCA, they set up a panel recently under whose chairmanship to develop international retail business at International Financial Services Center. IFSCA, they set up panel under whose chairmanship to develop retail business. Which IIT was given Gandhian Young Technological Innovation Award for generating electricity from wet clothes? They devised a mechanism to generate electricity from wet clothes. Which IIT am I talking about? Which state launched Online Shramik Employment Exchange? Online Shramik Employment Exchange. Ashfaq Mahmood Chaudhry, he is a 17-year-old boy from Jammu and Kashmir, only 17-year-old, and he has developed a mobile app which is for file sharing. And this app even works without internet access. What is the name of this file sharing app made by this 17-year-old boy from J&K? Which games will be hosted by Milan and Cortina? These are two cities in Italy in 2026. Which games will be hosted by Milan and Cortina in 2026? Which state of India launched Pure for Sure campaign to ensure purity of milk and dairy products? Pure for Sure. There is a ventilator called Vital. This ventilator was made by which organization? Which organization has made Vital ventilator? What is the full form of LCHG with respect to ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization? They got a patent recently for LCHG. What is LCHG? Ariane 5, it's a heavy lift rocket basically. It's a launch vehicle owned by which space agency? Which space agency in the world uses Ariane 5 rocket? Which state of India has Orang Tiger Reserve? This tiger reserve is said to have the greatest tiger density in India. So where is Orang Tiger Reserve? Gargo International, it's a Delhi-based lubricant company. This company, Gargo International, has made which person as the brand ambassador? Gargo International. Name the Nobel Peace Prize winner from Northern Ireland who passed away recently. He was a politician also. So what was his name? Nobel Peace Prize winner from Northern Ireland. Which IT company has started a coronavirus screening service called mHealthy? mHealthy. Which mission of NASA completed 50 years in 2020? In 2020. So this was the super easy quiz today, just to kind of ease you a bit at the end of the month, and I am sure you will score good marks. So let's start with the answer. Danny Kaye Humanitarian Award is given by UNICEF, and this award was given to Priyanka Chopra, the famous actress. World's largest radio telescope, Fast Aperture Telescope, the diameter is 0.5 kilometer. 0.5 or half kilometer. Public Service Broadcasting Day in India is celebrated on 12th of November. This is the day when Mahatma Gandhi visited the All India Radio office. Shevaroy Hills are located in Tamil Nadu. They are located near Salem, in the Salem district of Tamil Nadu. Ashwani Kumar Tiwari became the Managing Director and CEO of SBI Card. SBI Card. Asian Para Games. What is the mascot? It is the bird Fei Fei. Fei Fei is the mascot for the Para Games. IFSCA, their committee to improve retail in India will be headed by Mr. Pradeep Shah. Mr. Pradeep Shah. Gandhian Young Technological Innovation Award was given to IIT Kharagpur. IIT Kharagpur. Kharagpur is in West Bengal. Online Shramik Employment Exchange, Rajasthan. Rajasthan. Online Shramik Employment Exchange was launched by Rajasthan. The name of the mobile app made by Ashfaq Mahmood Chaudhary is Dodo Drop. DODO Dodo Drop. Milan and Cortina, they will host the Winter Olympics. Winter Olympics in 2026. Both are the cities in Italy. Pure for Sure campaign was launched by Rajasthan. Rajasthan. For someone who has not revised properly, they will think that it is milk and dairy, so they will mark Gujarat. But no, the answer is Rajasthan. Vital ventilator was made by NASA. America's Space Agency, NASA. LCHG, now this is a tough one. Liquid Cooling and Heating Garment. Liquid Cooling and Heating Garment made by ISRO. Ariane 5 is owned by European Space Agency, ESA. European Space Agency. Orang Tiger Reserve is in Assam. Gargo International made Sonu Sood as their brand ambassador. Sonu Sood, who is helping a lot of people during the lockdown. Nobel Peace Prize winner was given to Mr. John Hume. And John Hume is a person from Northern Ireland. IT company that made coronavirus screening device mHealthy is Tech Mahindra. Tech Mahindra. And NASA, the Apollo 13 mission completed 50 years in 2020. So I'm sure you scored good marks and it was an easy level quiz. Now let's start the current affairs. Qazi Nazrul Islam, he was the national poet of which country? Qazi Nazrul Islam was known as the rebel poet. Rebel poet, right? So he was the national poet of Bangladesh. And which person is known as the father of Bangladesh? It is Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. There is a movie being made on his life that will be made by an Indian director, Shyam Benegal. Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, remember, it is his 100th birth anniversary 2020. This is all worth remembering. So, recently, Qazi Nazrul Islam's 44th death anniversary was observed on 27th of August. Right? He was born on 24th of May 1899 in Paschim Bardhaman district of West Bengal. So Qazi Nazrul Islam was born in Paschim Bardhaman district of West Bengal. Moving on, the first regiment of S-400 Triumph air defense system will be delivered to India by which country at the end of 2021? So India is buying this most advanced air defense system and it is developed by Russia's Almaz company. The name of the company that has made S-400 is Almaz. Right? Almaz. So remember, it is Russia. And Russia, Vladimir Putin is the president. Mikhail Mishustin is the prime minister. Russia is also hosting the BRICS summit at St. Petersburg in 2020. 2020. Kaukaz is a name of a military exercise being conducted by Russia. And the day for the Russian language is 6th of June, International Russian Language Day. And India's ambassador to Russia is D.B. Venkatesh Verma, DBV Verma. India's first International Women's Trade Center will be established in which state? India's first International Women's Trade Center is coming up in Kerala. So the answer is Kerala. And what is the name of this center? It is REACH. REACH. REACH stands for Resource Enhancement Academy for Career Heights. Resource Enhancement Academy for Career Heights. This is the name, REACH. And about Kerala, remember Kerala, Arif Muhammad Khan is the governor and Pinarayi Vijayan is the chief minister of Kerala, and there is a left government in Kerala. Kerala will also provide free internet under their K-Phone project. They also started Break the Chain cartoon campaign for Corona. They also opened Kudumbashri hotels, and they also launched a robot called Karmi Bot. They also have Silent Valley National Park, Ervikulam National Park, Pambadam Shola, Mathikettan Shola, Naimudi Shola, Silent Valley Periyar and Ervikulam National Park. Assam Cabinet has approved Assam Skill Development University Bill, which provides for setting up of skill university at which place. So Assam is building a skill university in Mangaldoyi. The investment will be 900 crore rupees. Now in Assam, there are a lot of schemes. For example, AAA. So A stands for, first is the Abhinandan scheme, Education Loan Subsidy scheme. Then second A stands for Arundhati scheme, and the third A stands for Arunodoi scheme. AAA. Also there is Dhanvantri scheme for providing subsidized medicines at your doorstep. Also the Poba Reserve Forest in Dhemaji district was declared as a wildlife sanctuary, and Dehing Patkai Wildlife Sanctuary was upgraded to a national park. Which country is planning to host the BRICS Games in 2021? So India is all set to host the BRICS Games in 2021. The answer is India. India's sports minister is Kiran Rijiju. In India, the Khelo India Games will also take place. The 4th edition Khelo India Youth Game will take place in Panchkula in Haryana. Kiran Rijiju's constituency is Arunachal West. Bob Bryan and Mike Bryan, they announced their retirement from which game? So they are the most successful doubles pair in tennis. They are Americans. So remember, they are Americans and they announced their retirement. Brothers, the Bryan brothers. Famous Bryan brothers in tennis. Archana Mahanta passed away. Archana Mahanta was a renowned singer in which language? So, she was 72 years old and she was a Assamese singer. Now, remember that she, there is one more singer from Assam that you should know, Bhupen Hazarika. And there is a Bhupen Hazarika Setu, which is the other name for Dhola Sadia Bridge. The Dhola Sadia Bridge is known as Bhupen Hazarika Setu. There is one more bridge in Assam that you should know of, which is Bogi Bil Bridge, which connects D and D. What is DD? So one is Dhemaji and the second D is Dibrugarh. It connects Dhemaji and Dibrugarh, the Bogi Bil Bridge. This is worth remembering. August 26 marked the 110th birth anniversary of the great saint Mother Teresa. She was born in which city? So remember, she was born in what that time was Macedonia. Today we call it North Macedonia. So the capital of Macedonia was Skopje. So she was born in Skopje. And she was a Nobel Peace Prize winner. She won the Nobel Peace Prize in 1979. She was declared a saint by the Vatican. Great soul. Scientists of which university, they have designed a war bot that can prevent the doctors from getting infected when they come in contact with patients infected with the virus. So scientists of Tripura University have made this war bot. So the answer is Tripura University. Tripura's capital is Agartala. Right? In Tripura you will find Neer Mahal. Right? You will find Neer Mahal in the Rudra Sagar lake. It's a very important lake in Tripura. Tripura also launched a scheme called Ektu Khelo Ektu Padho. Ektu Khelo Ektu Padho, which means study a little and play a little. And they launched one more scheme, which I will tell you, which you may not be knowing. It is called Mukhya Mantri. Mukhya Mantri means Chief Minister. मुख्यमंत्री मातृपुष्टि उपहार scheme. This scheme is very important. This scheme is for the pregnant women and lactating mothers. They will be given a kit which will have all the things available that are required to take care of the young child. Matrupushti Upahar scheme was launched by Tripura. And Tripura also has Sifajila Wildlife Sanctuary, Rowa, Gumti and Trishna Wildlife Sanctuary. These 4 wildlife sanctuaries are there. There is also Rajbari National Park. There is also Clouded Leopard National Park. International Day Against Nuclear Test was observed on which date? International Day Against Nuclear Test is observed every year on 29th of August. 29th of August. It was first celebrated in 2010. The government has allowed the public sector undertaking, the PSUs of India, to pay deferred customs duty within how many days of import? So, they can pay the customs duty within 14 days of the import. 14 days. Which insurance company has launched insurance cover for pet dogs? This is the first insurance cover in India for pet dogs and it has been launched by Bajaj Allianz General Insurance. Bajaj Allianz. What is the name of the cyclone that hit America in Louisiana and Texas? The cyclone was called Laura. Another cyclone which is called Bavi, Typhoon Bavi, attacked North Korea, South Korea and China. The prize money for Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award, which is the highest sporting honor in India, it has been increased from how many lakh rupees from the previous amount of 7.5 lakh rupee. Earlier, the player used to get 7.5 lakh. Now it has been made almost, in fact, more than 3 times. Now it is 25 lakh rupees. 25 lakh rupees. And Arjuna Award has been increased to 15 lakh rupees. Earlier it was 5 lakh. So it has been tripled. It has been tripled. Okay. And even Dronacharya Award, they were given 5 lakh rupees. Now they will be given 15 lakh. It has also been tripled. Dronacharya Lifetime Award is I am saying. And the normal, and there is also one Dhyan Chand Award. You must have heard about it. Dhyan Chand awardees will be given 10 lakh rupees. Earlier they were given 5 lakh. So it has been doubled. Let me repeat once. Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. Earlier they were given 7.5 lakh. Now they will be given 25 lakh. Number 1. And this award has been given to 5 people. Rohit Sharma, cricket player. Mariappan Thangavellu. Then Vinesh Fogart, Manika Batra and Rani Rampal. 5 people have got Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. Right. Then the Dronacharya Lifetime Achievement Awards, they were given 5 lakh rupee. Now they will be given 15 lakh rupee 3 times. Okay. Then Arjuna Award, same. 5 lakh earlier, now 15 lakh. Arjuna Award also 15 lakh. And Dhyan Chand Award will be given 10 lakh. Earlier they were given 5 lakh. So 2 times. Dhyan Chand Award 2 times. Dronacharya Award 3 times. Arjuna Award 3 times. And Khel Ratna Award, more than 3 times. Nishad Taranga Paranavitana, who announced his retirement, is associated with which sport? So he was a Sri Lankan cricket player. He was a cricket player from Sri Lanka. According to Indian Meteorological Department, India has set a new record in August after 44 years by receiving how much percent more rainfall than average? So India received 25% more rainfall. This is a new record, So the answer is India received 25% more rainfall. The previous highest rainfall was also in the month of August. It was recorded in 1983. 1983. So, and also there was in August 1976 when 28.4% excess rainfall was there. So you can see 1976 and now it's 44 year that there is a 25% increase. Also remember that Indian Meteorological Department, they celebrated their 145th Foundation Day on 15th of January. Recently, India and which country conducted the 14th Defence Policy Dialogue via video conferencing? India conducted Defence Policy Dialogue with Singapore. With Singapore, we do a military exercise also called Bold Kurukshetra and also Simbex both. Singapore, Lee Hsien Loong is the Prime Minister and Halima Yaqub is the President. And Halima Yaqub gave President support to an Indian nurse called Kala Narayansamy. Singapore also has a person called Darren Tang who has become the Director General of World Intellectual Property Organization. What is the rank of India in terms of the average wage per month? This was a global survey conducted recently. India's rank is 72 in the average wage per month. Switzerland was number 1. India was 72. Noor Inayat Khan has become the first Indian origin woman to be honored with Blue Plaque in which country? She was given the Blue Plaque in UK. What is Blue Plaque? Blue Plaque is given, it's, those people who do exceptional work, So Blue Plaque is given in UK. And Noor Inayat Khan is a World War II spy and descendant of Tipu Sultan, who ruled India also. So just remember, she was given this honor for her service during World War II. The government of Jammu and Kashmir has launched e-auction portal for which product? They launched it for saffron. Saffron, and remember they got the GI tag. The Jammu Kashmir saffron got the GI tag also recently. Jammu Kashmir also launched a mobile app called Mera Vetan. They also inaugurated bridges called Devika Bridge and Puneja Bridge. New bridge. They also launched another bridge called Anji Khad Bridge, which will connect Katra and Raisi. It's a railway bridge. And there is also Dachigam National Park there. There is a Kishtwad National Park and Dr. Salim Ali National Park.